Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to see the benchmark between three languages. Basically we can say three top languages. First one is Node.js, second one is Python, and third one is Rust. Okay, so we will go one by one, but before that I want to show the benchmark here to you, like what ChatGPT told me. So here ChatGPT told me that Rust can handle at least 10 lakh requests per second, and Node.js can handle easily 1 lakh requests, means 10x faster than Node.js, and Python is around 20x faster than Rust. Okay, so let's see the benchmark here. Let's move to our VS Code. So first of all, we will execute the Node.js part. So let me run the Node code here. So currently it's running, and let's see how much time will it take. Okay, it has taken 3.80 second, okay, to execute, or we can say to print number from 0 to 1 lakh. Perfect. Now we will see for Python what exactly the benchmark come out with the Python. So okay, let's run this part. So I will do a Python 3 and file name main.py. Okay, so Python has taken 2.2 second, and now it's done for Rust. Let's see what Rust will do magic for us. So 1 minute. Okay, now we are here, and this is our Rust terminal. Let me move to the Rust folder, and here we will do cargo run, and now this is executing for Rust. Now you can see the benchmark, right? Here the execution time for Python Node.js, like Node.js has taken around 3 seconds, and this, like Python has taken 2.2, and Rust has taken 1.4. Rust is 20x faster than Node.js, and we can say 10x faster than Python. Means Rust is best among these three languages. I hope you have seen the benchmark, and now you can easily choose what the language you are going to master next time. Okay, so that's all guys. I will say the Rust is best here, and not just in these simple console fields, but overall Rust is really cool language. If you are preferring to learn this language, then I will highly recommend you to go with Rust. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will catch up you in another video with some another topic. If you want to see some another benchmarks, if you want to see another language execution time, then do let me in comments. I will be making the separate video for that also. Okay, so yeah, thank you. I will see you in next video. Thank you.